Okay, this is part one of the binomial theorem. The problem is the quantity cubed of x minus 2. So what we're going to do is start with our summation, and k must start at 0. Start at 0, and it goes up to n equals 3. That comes from the power outside the parentheses. And then you're going to have n choose k. N choose k, so n is 3, and we're going to choose k. Actually, we'll just go back and make this n and k. We'll do the actual calculations on the next page. Or maybe we can fit them here at the bottom. Then you'll have a to the n minus k, and then b to the k power. So you're going to have to run through this with 0, 1, 2, and 3 to come up with some answers. Alright, if we go through it with 0 first, we're going to have 3 choose 0. How many is that? 1, so we'll have 1, and then times a. A comes from the coefficient next to the x, which is what? 1, and 1 to the n minus k power, which is 1 to the 3 minus 0 power. 1 to the third is what? 1. Alright, then multiply it by b to the k power. What's b to the 0 power? 1, so the whole thing there is going to be 1. And I'll show you where these fit in the final answer in a little bit. Alright, let's go back through with 1. We're going to have now n choose k, so 3 choose 1 is what? 3. And then we're going to have a to the n minus k power. That's a to the 3 minus 1 power squared. So a squared is 1 squared. What is that? 1. And then back here, b is 2. So we're going to have 2 to the k power. K is 1. What do we end up with? 2. And you multiply them all together to get 6. B is 2. That comes from this spot up here, the minus 2. So we're going to square that because we have k power, or not square it, but we just to the first power because we have 1 now. We're on 1. We just finished that, so we'll go to 2 now. N choose k. 3 choose 2. How many ways can you choose 2 from 3? 3. And then we go over to the a. That is 1. 1 to the n minus k is 1 to the 3 minus 2, which is 1 to the 1 power. 1. And then we go to b to the k power. That's 2 to the second power, which is 4. Multiply them all together to get 12. And we'll finish off with 3. 3 choose 3. How many ways? 1. And then a to the 3 minus 3 power. Yeah, because it's 0, so it's going to be 1. And then b to the k power, that's 2 to the third power is what? 8. So we multiply those together and come up with 8. Now we'll go to the next page here, which is going to be part 2. Actually plugging them back in. And part 2 will be continued on the next video.